Waste management service in Lake City, Arkansas. Are you seeking a reliable waste management service in Lake City, Arkansas? Sullivan's Dumpster Rental is your local dumpster rental and waste solutions expert. We proudly provide the Lake City community with reliable, affordable, and prompt service. Whether you're remodeling, cleaning out, or constructing a new home, we have the right dumpster size. Our process is straightforward: select your container, arrange a drop-off, and fill it up, and we'll take care of the rest. We aim to make waste removal as easy as possible. Our team is committed to keeping Lake City clean and organized, one project at a time. We ensure timely delivery and pickup, so your work never gets delayed. When you work with us, you choose a partner who values your time and budget. We understand that every job is unique. That's why we provide customized waste management solutions tailored to your needs. From residential to commercial services, we're ready to help you take control of your waste. Our customer-first approach means you'll always get friendly support and transparent pricing. We prioritize eco-friendly practices, ensuring proper waste disposal and minimizing environmental impact. You can trust us to manage your materials responsibly. Call us at 870-316-8896 to schedule your rental or ask about our services. We're ready to support your next project.